Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply your official USA travel history report. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. Also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you I have opened official US Custom and Border Protection site. So here we have official site for traveler visiting the US. Apply for request travel history and check travel compliance. Okay, so here we have a link, view travel history, and this gonna give you data up to last 10 years. Okay, and electronic data, so you can read this, and if you agree you can go for search. So it's a very simple search box. You just need to give first name, last name, your date of birth, document number that you use to travel to USA. Okay, this is your passport number, you see. So whatever document you use, that you have to use, and then your country of issuance, and then when you click on next, here on this next tab, there's going to be a tab created, right, where you are going to see the information. So that's how simple it is, guys, and this is free, so you don't need to worry about this. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.